New Turtle Wax TW110 pressure washer 1400 watt. Turtle Wax have been making car products for 75 years, and like me, many of you have been using them. Fantastic products, but they never made pressure washers up until now. They've made 3 models, this being the baby of them. They've also made a TW120 and they've made TW135, that's the biggest one, that comes with the 8-meter hose. I already own 2 pressure washers, the Bosch and the Karcher K2 Premium. The Karcher K2 Premium is fantastic, but when Turtle Wax bought a pressure washer out and it's got the foam gun with it, I thought, why not go for it? It was on Amazon for $69.99 at the time of making this video, which is end of July. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I will also leave links and pop-up cards to the other pressure washer reviews as well if you want to watch them. Just a quick look at the side here. It's got additional items you can pick up, like the patio cleaner, cleaning brush, but this one is the standard one. This is what's included. You get a quick connect gun, power lance, spray nozzle, detergent bottle and a 5-meter hose. Okay, let me get it out of the box. I'll go through what's what and then I'll give you a demo as well. This is everything included in the box of the Turtle Wax pressure washer. I am recording outside, so apologies for any noise. Instruction manual, Turtle Wax TW110 pressure washer. Inside explains what parts what. Just want to show you at the back here, yeah. Dated 12/3/2019, that's when it was authorized, signed by a child. You get a little pin there, so if you get any clogs in your pressure washer, you can remove it using this pin. There's a little bit of assembly. You need to attach the handle onto the body of the pressure washer. You get 1 screw, there's the handle, that would fit in like so, fits in there, and then you can see there's a hole there. The screw would fit in there, connect to the handle. This feels and looks a lot like the Bosch pressure washer I reviewed. Link in the description box below if you want to watch that. You get a clear quick connect, that of course would screw on there. It's connected. So good job it's clear, so if anything does get caught up, you can see what's what, and then you can use the pin to remove it. On off there. Here's the gun. The gun has a safety mechanism. At the moment it's open, but if you push this, it's quite firm that. If you push it, it's locked. Push it again and it's released. At the bottom there, that's where the hose pipe would fit. So you'd push this, fit the hose on. To remove the hose, push it again and it would go off. Same fitting as the Bosch. You get a 5-meter high pressure hose, they call it. You get a standard nozzle, and then you get the foam nozzle. Oh, the canister has got numbers there. It's going from 50 to 350, and that is, as you can see there, it's just straight from there. This actually would fit on there, so you'd put, if you do want to connect this, you'd put this on first, and then that would connect onto the lance. And you can see the lance there, it's got push fit system. So you just put that in, push it, and it's fitted on, and then you'd connect the gun onto there. The gun connecting, really simple, push, hold, that's it, it's connected. Once you sprayed the foam on, you could remove it. You know, just push it and then it would come off. It's a bit tight. That comes off, and then you could just spray the car off with clear water. It's convenient that actually. Pressure hose would wrap around there. All the tools live on board. Or Turtle Wax have made a good pressure washer here where everything lives on board. The hose would fit on there. Again, it's push fit, so you'd push it down, fit the hose on, release. To take it out, push and it release. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll connect the hose up, I'll connect the handle, and then I'll go do a demo on my car. As my cleaning detergent, I'll be using the Karcher car shampoo. I'm using the foam gun first. Apologies for no audio because a lot of kids were playing outside and it was really noisy. But you could see at the back, I don't know if you can tell, the pressure washer is throwing a bit of water out because the quick connect was leaking. I've got the normal universal Karcher connector which should fit on fine. It fitted on with the Karcher and the Bosch, but it did not fit on with the Turtle Wax. However, later on I did manage to change the quick connect for a normal one, and it worked absolutely fine. Performance wise, it's pretty much the same as the Bosch. So again, I've said this before, and I do think they were made in the same factory, just with different stickers on. However, it does have good build quality. It's definitely good for your car, but if you were to do your garden, like your paving and stuff, I wouldn't recommend it for that. It doesn't have enough power. But again, there are two different models you could pick up. I will leave links to all of them in the description box below. As always, my friends, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.